Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you.
Do you like free crypto and a great new digital wallet? Well, you're in luck. We're going to talk about the Descent Biometric wallet. But before we start, I am the Crypto Keeper, but remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. That's the best way to ensure your financial future. So, I am very excited. I have in my hand the Descent Biometric wallet. You've seen it in the last couple of videos. Here it is in person, but you can get yours too. Don't forget, the sale is still on. 37% off of, any product you want, including this digital wallet I'm about to show you. And there are airdrops every single week. And we're going to talk specifically about round 4, but it looks like there's still time remaining to join round 3. So let's look at this. What am I talking about? The Descent digital wallet. Let's get to it. Here it is in my hand. It's even got the fresh cellophane. And let's see what this bad boy has to offer. So, it is sealed for my protection. Look at that. It's already encrypted, ladies and gentlemen. So this is hardware encryption. A lot of people, everyone's into digital, but if you really look at it, the analog security can be the way to go. So I have it open. Here's the box. It's like opening up a wedding ring here. And what do I have inside? All the product specifications. We got the wallet itself. We got the charging pod. Look at that. There it is, fresh in the seal. Oh, I hate breaking the seals on these things. Well, it's got some heft to it. So this is the digital biometric wallet we've been talking about. You can put your thumbprint here. You can keep all your crypto safe and secure on this little guy. And it has an app that we're going to discuss, and that's kind of how you get into round 4. So let me get this thing charged up, and we're going to talk about round 4 and getting yourself some free loot. All right, so once you have your digital wallet, and I just registered mine. I went through the entire protocol. Takes a little bit time to get it all working, connecting it to the app. That's the second part of this equation. Once you have that, you're ready to go. Now, if you just got your wallet, you're going to jump into round 4, which starts January 7th at 1300 UTC, formerly known as Greenwich Mean Time. And after completing a couple of missions, what's the reward? A little bit of loot. So let's talk about it. What are we getting into here? Well, let's pop over here. So this is the Newton Protocol. It sounds pretty serious. So what does that mean? Well, this is the event. Here's the at a glance. The event starts January 7th. It goes until January 13th. You need the Descent app. You need the Descent wallet. Once you have these things, complete the missions. Bada bing, bada boom. We're ready to go. So what are the quests? These are the required quests. So the first thing you need to do is you have to have a Newt account. So how do you do that? Got your coins set, you got your wallet set up, it's connected to the app. You go into the app. Simple. You pop into the app, and then you are going to right into the wallet here, and then you're going to see a little thing that says year-end gala, explore all drops. You're going to click on that. Boom, year-end gala. Now what do you do here? Well, we're going to scroll down, round 4, it's going to say new, we're going to click on it, and then it's going to say quest. Quest number 1 is add a Newt account. So we're going to just click add, and as you can see, it's going to ask you for a name. It's going to set it up. You're going to do a little setup here, and you get to name it. Network name's Ethereum. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. You're going to do all that. You set up the Newt account. That's number 1. Number 2, this one's important. So you're going to swap $50 into Ethereum, into that account. And it's got to be cumulative. You can get it from a couple different sources so long as the maximum swap amount is $50. Then you're going to hold 600 plus Newt. That's the third mission, right? First mission, add an account. Second mission, swap $50. Third mission, hold 600 Newt. When you do that, then there's one final thing you have to do, and that is complete a couple of social tasks on Interact. So there's going to be a quest page that you're going to go to. You do a couple of things there, and it's pretty easy. Once you do those 4 things, once you complete those 4 missions, you get free Newt. Well, how much? What am I looking at here? Well, the reward structure. What is it? It's like this. You complete the quests. The first 340 users are going to complete it, and they're going to get 175 Newt. There's close to 6,000 Newt that are going to be given away during round 4. You got to be on that list. Just be one of the first 340. Then the second thing is there are ranked swapping rewards, meaning the more you swap, the higher you move up on the leaderboard, and the first place, whoever swaps the most money will get 2,300 newt. That's so much, it's blowing my mind here. I can't get it out. 2,300 newt. Second place gets 1,800. Third place 1,300. Fourth place 800. Fifth place 300. But so that's the order. But you need a couple things here. You need the wallet. It's only for the people with the biometric wallet. This is unique to people who load the account through the app, and then you complete the missions. Make sure that the app wallets line up, and that's it. That's all you have to do. It's very simple. Once you have the wallet, get the missions, fill them out, complete them, newt appears in your account. So couldn't be easier. This is a year-end gala, and there's many more rounds. Don't forget that there are 7 rounds here that Descent is doing throughout the beginning of the year. So get in on them and let me know how it goes. Are you one of the lucky 340? Let me know in the comments below. Let's hear about it. Let's talk about it. Let's create a community around cryptocurrency. So let's dive into this. The white whale. Well, I think as you can probably guess, this is a coin based on what I'm guessing is based on a person who based their personality on the great sea mammal from the Moby Dick book. That's my best guess. I have to tell you that finding the answers are as elusive as capturing that sea mammal himself. So let's look into this. So this is the white whale, the coin. It is currently selling for 6 cents a coin. But here's what's interesting. So if we look at the history of the white whale, you can see it came out early December for about 1/10 of a penny. It's pretty low. And it has spiked all the way up to about a little over 7.5 cents a share. It's currently trading at 6.1 cents, I say share, per token. So what does that mean? Well, I don't know. I can't tell you why this has spiked, but I will tell you that it does have its own Twitter account. This is the White Whale Meme Official. So this is the meme account for the official X account for the meme, and as you can see, you can link to everything here. You can even they even have a whole section for white whale memes that you can get into. So you can, this meme is very popular. I'll be honest, I don't quite understand it. It's pretty funny to me, but that's how this all started. And you can look at their posts. I got 6,000 followers. I think this is pretty new. I think this is probably a phenomenon that hit pretty early and has been kind of on its way up. But this is, I feel, really deep in the weeds in the meme coin world. So you can see people have a lot of fun creating different different memes and GIFs and all of that. It's got a real Star Wars Emperor vibe going on here. So that's a lot what's going on as far as the coin itself. So not a lot of meat and potatoes from an investment standpoint. Now let's go to the white whale. Now this I thought was kind of interesting. I went down a little bit of a rabbit hole just to cross my animal metaphors here. So this is the white whale version 2. Depth tested, market hardened, sharing conviction and philosophy, not financial advice. Now, this guy's got about 85.7 thousand followers. This is really interesting. Now, this is more of a crypto themed account. And you can see there's both a lot of white whale memes. There's also tons of philosophy on crypto. And then if you look at the white whale's website, you can see that, premium crypto insights, Solana expertise, verified contact access. Now, I can't click on anything in here. The get in touch doesn't work. There's a little bit of story on the MEXC exchange controversy. There are projects that this person is interested in. He lists a couple, including the white whale meme. And this tells you, all the stuff that he's into, live prices, even has a charitable contributions. I would probably do a little double check on these before you throw any money his way. But this, I don't know exactly what this does. I was very confused, but also intrigued. I was also very intrigued. Because if you go to the website itself, so this is the website for the white whale token. You can buy it. It's got your market cap. It's got your meme generator. You know, I made one here, Crypto Keeper, keeping crypto. This kind of looks like me looking at my phone. I don't know about driving the Porsche, but that's a nice, I do like that though. Pretty cool. So this is, you know, it's got a meme generator on the website itself, so you can click through. I mean, there's more about this meme than about the value of the token, which is one of those things that kind of raises a red flag to me. It seems like a lot of fun. There's a leaderboard. So this is the top 50 by time-weighted score, total season 1 eligible holders. Now, there's a lot of caveats there to end up on this leaderboard, but we can see they go by wallet numbers. I'm not going to bore you with listing out the entire wallet, but you can see number 1 has a balance of about 280 million, and the time-weighted score is 20 million, which is about 17 million more than number 2. So whoever's number 1 is really racking up the coins here. I don't quite understand how this works. I don't know what time-weighted score. I'm guessing the quicker you bought it, the more your score is weighted, is what I'm guessing. Yeah, put that together all by myself. Time-weighted score, like that. That's the kind of insight that the Crypto Keeper will bring to you. You can also look in your wallet, see if you, if you qualify. So there's like a gamify element to this. If you can also look at Deck Screener, and this gives you a quick link to exactly how, it's doing. This isn't my favorite. It's kind of confusing for me to use, so I prefer some of the others like Coinbase, and this is CoinMarketCap. Gives you the same information. For sure, you can get an ability to buy this. But this is, from what I can tell, this is also a pump.fun meme coin. We talked about that, I think, last episode or the episode before, where you can kind of upload your own meme, create your own coin, and that's exactly what they did. As you can see, it's got a huge spike here. I mean, this is less than a month old, and it's got quite a bit of traction here. So I have to say, this is one of those coins that, as I mentioned before, it both confounded me, but also intrigued me. Is it an investment opportunity? I don't know. This feels, it's definitely got virality, both. It has both. It is both potent and viral. And I think, for me, I don't know. This is just a meme coin. As I've given my philosophy on meme coins before, they're fun to have if they're cheap. As far as investment goes, I don't know. This one's a little obfuscated with who runs it and why. And I think it's more of a fun little meme generator, and kind of someone capitalizing on not only their success but also the success of the meme and turning it into a coin. And I don't know the intentions behind it, and that's why it raises a lot of red flags for me personally. But let me know what you think. Go do your own research, check this out. Maybe you can find out more than I could. Let me know about it in the comment section below, and remember to like and share this video. So of course, until next time, I want to thank you for watching.